Hey everyone, I am Robert Bruce here. This video I am going to show you change default SMS app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom. Here you can see various options. Look for the apps option, tap on it. After that, look for the very top, find the choose default apps. Click on them. Here you can see all of the default apps listed there. Scroll down a little, find the SMS app option, tap on it and see the all of the default SMS app listed there. Find the exact app if you want to set for your default SMS app. For example, this video I am set the Google Messages app, my Samsung phone default SMS app. So select it and you are done. However, keep in mind, if you don't find any Google Messages or other apps such Texta, this default SMS folder, this means if you not be install any app. So return to your home screen, open Play Store, go to search bar. Here you can simply search for Messages app. After that, you can see all of the default Messages app listed there. For example, you can select Google Messages and install it first on your phone. Then return to this page, default SMS app section, and choose this Google Messages, and you are successfully set up. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Also subscribe my new channel. Please support.